ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निरये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुधैवसुधं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. लोकवीरं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहम्। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। भागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णे नैव सुरक्षितो मत्सकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽह्यम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ ബിന്ദുമീരക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. യതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പിടേന്താത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ कृष्णा हरे जय कृष्णा हरे। So today, what we'll do is we'll have two people who will go through chapter 17, and then we'll finish off chapter 22, 5 more or 6 more stanzas there, and then get into 24. So that's the plan for today. So Nikki, so Jayashree, Shobha, can you both do the chapter 17? And then we'll have Lalita and Kashyap. You can be the students for the chapter 22 and whatever we do on 24 today.
Yeah.
So Shobha, you first porela 17 ke?
Yeah. उत्तानपादनृपतेर्मनुनन्दनस्य जाया बभूव सुरुचिर्नितरामभीष्टा अन्यासु नीतिरिति भर्तुरनाधृता सा त्वामेव नित्यमगति शरणं गता भूत अंके पितु सुरुचिपुत्रकम् उत्तमं तं दृष्ट्वा ध्रुव किल सुनीतिसुतोधिरोक्ष्यन् आचिक्षिपे किल शिशु सुतरां सुरुच्या दुस्सन्त्यजा खलु भवद्
विमुखैर्
भवद्वि मुखैर् असूया
दुस्सन्त्यजा खलु भवत् विमुखैर् असूया.
அது சேர்ந்து படிக்க I'm always having trouble, Rajesh, there.
பவத்ல பாஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க. துஸ்ஸன்த்யஜா கலு பவத் விமுகைர் அசூயா. பவத் விமுகைர்.
Oh, bhavat dvimukhaya. Then I practice wrong. Bhavat dvimukhaya. Okay. Achikshipe kila shishu sutaram surajya dussantyaja khalu bhavat dvimukhair asuya.
Correct.
Tvanmohite pitari pashyati daravashye duram durukti nihata sagato nijambam तापि स्वकर्मगति संतरणाय पुंसां त्वत्पादमेव शरणं शिशवे शशंस आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्चन निश्चितात्मा मानी निरेत्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्षः सन्दृष्ट नारद निवेदित मन्त्रमार्गः त्वामारराध तपसा मधुकाननान्ते ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वित चित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमना क्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोर तपसा किल पञ्चमासान् तावत् तपोबल निरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्थितत्स्वमुदयत् करुणार्द्रचेताः त्वद्रूपचित्रसनिलीनमते पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूविथ विभो गरुडाधिरूढः त्वद्दर्शनप्रमदभारतरङ्गितं तं त्रभ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायनेते तुष्टूषमानम् अवगम्य कपोलदेशे संस्पृष्टवानसि दरेण तथा दरेण तावत् विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनम् आभाषथास्त्वम् अवगम्य तदीय भावम् राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं वृत्तिहीनम् इत्युचुषि त्वयि गते इत्युचुषि त्वयि गते चिशिया ओके इत्युचिषि त्वयि गते नृपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिताखिलजनो नगरीम् उपेतः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रह पूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमाधृत राज्यभारः यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्न हृदयात् धनदाधुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम अवृणोन् महात्मा अन्ते भवत्पुरुषनीतं विमानयातो मात्रा समं ध्रुवपदे मुदितोऽयम् आस्ते एवं स्वभृत्यजन पालनलोलधीस्त्वं वातालयाधिपनिरुन्धि मम ममामयौघान्. And the last line also I'm not able to say together.
Vathalayadipanirundhi mamamayoghan. Nirundi, you can bring it down so you can Vathalayadipanirundhi mamamayoghan.
Okay. Vathalayadipanirundhi mamamayoghan. No.
You're stopping there. Don't stop there. Vathalayadipanirundhi mamamayog. Nirundiye konja keel kondu poitte maava konja mela thookikonga appdi.
Vathalayadipanirundhi
mamamayog. Alright, good job, Prabha.
Okay.
Jai Shri Chan.
Okay. Uttanapadanipate manunandanasya jaya babhuva suruchirnitaramabhishtha anya sunitiriti bharturanadritasa swameva nityamagadesharanam gathabhutah anke pitus suruchi putrakam tam drishtva dhruva kila suniti sitotirukshayan आचिक्षिपे किल शिशुसुतरां सुरुच्या दुस्सन्तयजा खलु भवविमुखैरसूया त्वन्मोहिते पितरि पश्यति दारवश्ये दूरं दुरुक्तिनिहतः स गतो निजाम्बां सापि स्वकर्मगतिसन्तरणाय पुंसां त्वत्पादमेव शरणं शिशवे शशंसा आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्चननिष्ठिदात्मा मानी निरेत्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्षः सन्दिष्टनारद निवेदित मन्त्रमार्गः त्वामारराध तपसा मधुकाननान्ते ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त वित्तचित्तवृत्तौ
Parisant with chittavrittau. Parisant with chittavrittau.
ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त वित्तचित्तवृत्तौ.
I think you're still saying vitta chitta. You're saying it's not vitta. It's just vita chitta. So VITA vita. Then chitta. I think chitta is rendu tha irukku, small tha and big tha.
I practiced it incorrectly. Then Shri-naradena parisanta vitta chitta vrittau balas.
Okay, anyway, just try it next time. Next time it is parisant vitha, not vitta. Okay.
Vitha.
Yeah. Okay. You go ahead.
Balasvadarpitamana kramavarditena ninye katora tapasa kila panchamasan तावत् तपोबलनिरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवातितस्त्वमुदय करुणाद्रचेताः त्वद्रूपचिद्दसनिलीनमते पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूवित विभो गरुडाधिरूढः त्वद्दर्शनप्रमदभारतरङ्गितं तं दृग्भ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायने ते तुष्टुषमानमवगम्य कपोलदेशे सम्पृष्टवानसिदरेण तथादरेण तावत् विभोदव विमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनम् आभाषथास्त्वम् अवगम्य तदीयभावं राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं द्रुपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम् इत्युचिषि त्वयि गते निर्पनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिता किल जनो नगरीमुपेतः रेमे चिरं भवद् अनुग्रहपूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमादृतराजभारः यक्षेन देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन्
पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन्
यक्षेन देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्नहृदया धनधातुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदधाम् अवृणोन्महात्मा अन्ते भवत्पुरुषनीतविमानयातो माता समं ध्रुवपदे मुदितो यमास्ते एवं स्वभृत्य जनपालनलोलधीस्त्वं वातालयादिपनिरुन्धि ममां योगान्.
Mamama yoga.
Mamama yogan. Yeah, I have trouble with that.
Okay. Can you do the first 5 stanzas of 22 as well? Did you practice that by any chance?
No, I didn't practice that.
Okay, so
I'm not recording in the air.
Oh, okay, no problem. No, I'll say the 5 and then we'll get started. Ajamilo nama mahisura pura charan vibho dharma patan grihashrami guror gira kananametya drishtavan sudrishta shilam kulatham madakulam swatah prashantopi tadha hridashayah swadharmamutsrijyataya samharaman adharmakari dashami bhavan punah dhadau bhavannamayute suteratim Samrityukale yamarajakinkaran bhayankaram streen abilakshayyan biha puramanak smritivasanha bhalat juhavanarayana namakam sutam dhurashayasyapi thadatva nirgatatvadhiya namaksharamatra vaibhavat purobipetur bhavadhiya parshadaha chadurbujah pitapatha manoramah Amum cha samphashya vikarshato bhathan vimunchatetyarurudurbhaladami nivaritaste cha bhavat janaistadha thadiya papam nikilam nyavedayan. So that's where we left last time. So what happened was, Ajamila, we spoke about the background of Ajamila and then what happened, and at the time of his death, the Yamaraja Kinkaran, the messengers of Yama, came to take him. And then he calls out to his son Narayana, right, at that point. And then the messengers of Lord come in. Then the messengers of Lord then stop Yama's messengers from taking him. So that's where we left last time. So we'll start with stanza 6. So either Ninga first to Pongo, Alkapran Kashyap follow. So I'll say the paragraph, then we'll break it. Bhavantu papani katam tu nishkrite krite pibho dhandanamasti panditaha nanishkritikhim viditha bhavadrisham iti prabho tvatpurusha bhavashire. So from now, the next 3, 4 paragraphs, it will end with iti prabho tvatpurusha bhavashire, which means, thus, O Lord, your messengers told Yama's messengers, right? So that's what it says. So in that it says, O Bo Panditaha. So the Yama's messengers are also all learned people, right? So here the God's messengers are addressing them and say, O learned ones, Bo Panditaha, you are Panditas, Bhavantu Papani, let there be sins. Everybody has committed sins, right? In the previous stanza, Yama's messengers recite all the sins that Ajamilan has done. So God's messengers say, Bhavantu Papani, let there be sins. Katantu, but how come? Dandanam asti, how come the punishment still exists if nishkrite kriteyapi, if one has atoned for it, one has repented for it, one has realized that I have sinned, these are the sins I have actually done, and they wholeheartedly feel, right? It's not just saying, okay, I'm sorry, right? When you reach a point where you really realize that these mistakes have been done, so that people they're saying, Bhavantu, katamtu, how can there still be punishment when one has actually atoned for these sins? Na vidita kim, don't you people know this? You're already, like to Bhavadrisham, to people like you, you're all learned. Don't you already know that there cannot be punishment once somebody has really atoned for one's sins? That's what this paragraph says. So, Bhavantu Papani Katantu Nishkrite, and you have to join the next line because the Nishkrite Krite Api is saying Nishkrite is the atonement when I'm realizing, when I'm saying sorry, Krite Api. So when I'm when I've atoned for it already, so that joins as one sentence, right? So you have to join the next 2 lines. Katam tu nishkrite, continue. Krite pibho dhandanam asti panditaha. Okay. So it continues on the end line, you have to read it. So bhavantu papani katam tu nishkrite krite pibho dhandanam asti panditaha. Lalita mute lirike.
Bhavantu papani gatam tu nishkrite krite pibho dandanamasti panditaha.
2 times children.
Oh, class mardu. Bhavantu papani gatam tu nishkrite krite pibo dandanamasti panditaha. Gatam.
Right. Kashyap.
Bhavantu papani katam tu nishkrite krite pibo dandanamasti panditaha. Bhavantu papani katam tu nishkrite krite pibo dandanamasti panditaha.
Okay. So next line, na nishkritikim viditha bhava drisham, ends with drisham, and next line is iti prabho tvat purusha bhabashire. So Sanskrit sometimes they'll say bhava drisha miti prabho, so you break it into bhava drisham iti prabho. Okay, so na nishkritikim viditha bhava drisham iti prabho tvat purusha bhabashire.
Nanishkritikim vidita bhavatrasham iti prabho tvat purusha bhabashire. Nanishkritikim vidita bhavatrasham iti prabho tvat purusha bhabashire.
Correct.
Na nishkritikim
Na, just na.
nishkritikim vidita bhavadrisham iti prabho tvat purusha bhabashire. Na nishkritikim vidita bhavadrisham iti prabho tvat purusha bhabashire.
Okay. Next. Shruti smritibhyam vihita vrathadhayah punanti papam nalunanti vasanam ananta sevatu nikrintati dvayim iti prabho tvat purusha bhabashire. So here Shruti smritibhyam, right? So there are 2 things. So the Shrutis are things which come automatically, right? Nobody knows the source. So like the Vedam, it's like a Shruti which has been heard or communicated. It has not been written down by anybody, and it is the unquestionable truth. It's considered eternal. Those are the Shrutis. Then there are the Smritis. Smritis are things which the intellectual people actually wrote it. It has come from an author, right? So some of the examples are the Manusmriti, Narada Smriti, Yajna Vakya Smriti, அப்படி நிறைய ஸ்மிருதிஸ் இருக்கு. So these are what are written by intellectual people. So what he's saying is Shruti Smritibhyam, in the Shrutis and the Smritis, Vihita Vrathadayaha. There are certain things which are being said of how, what you should do and how you can atone for your sins and the way you should be leading life. So Vihita Vrathadayaha. Punanti Papam. So those things cleanse you of the sins you commit, right? There are things of how you can cleanse yourself of the sins you're committing. But na lunanti vasana, but it doesn't destroy your tendency to commit sins, right? You may still continue to commit sins after that also, because what it said in the Shrutis and Smritis don't prevent you from committing further sins. However, ananta seva tu, just the devotion to the Lord alone, right? Nikrintati dvayim. So only the devotion to Lord destroys both. Iti prabho tvatpurusha bhabashire. Thus your messengers told him. So they told him that, hey, whatever you follow in your Shruti and Smriti are great. It helps you cleanse you of your sins, but then it doesn't prevent you from committing more sins later. But the devotion to Lord alone will help you eradicate all your past sins and also prevent you from committing further sins. So Shruti Smritibhyam Vihita Vrathadhayaha Punanti Papam Na Lunanti Vasanam. It's straightforward. Shruti Smritibhyam Vihita Vrathadhayaha Punanti Papam Na Lunanti Vasanam.
Shruti Smritibhyam Vihita Vradadayah Punanti Papam Na Lunanti Vasanam. Shruti Smritibhyam Vihita Vradadayah Punanti Papam Na Lunanti Vasanam. Nanulanti Vasanam.
Shruti Smritibhyan Vihita Vratadayah Punanti Papam Na Lunanti Vasanam. Shruti Smritibhyan Vihita Vratadayah.
Smritibhyam, im. So correct the thing if it says in your book. Smritibhyam. I was just telling earlier to Uma And the PDF which I had circulated, the English and Tamil version, it is all done by the same person, and it's like a transliteration. Somebody had spoken and the computer has translated it. So when I compared it with the original book, there are a lot of mistakes in the mari chinna chinna mistakes irukku. So another than the PDF Tamil and English konjam paathukonga.
Wait, what is it? Shruti Smriti Bhyam.
Smriti Bhyam im. Yeah.
Shruti Smriti Bhyam Vihita Vratadayah Punanti Papam Nalunanti Vasanam.
Once more.
Okay. Shruti Smriti Bhyam Vihita Vratadayah Punanti Papam Nalunanti Vasanam.
Correct. Ananta Sevatu Nikrintati Dvaim im iti prabho tvatpurusha bhabashire. Okay, so you have to end with, in Sanskrit you say dvai miti, you have to make it dvaim and then iti. Okay, so ananta sevatu nikrintati dvaim iti prabho tvatpurusha bhabashire.
Ananta sevatu nikrintadidvayim iti prabho tvat purusha babashire. Ananta sevatu nikrintadidvayim iti prabho tvat purusha.
Nikrintati
Nikrintadidvayim.
Yeah.
Ananta sevatu nikrintadidvayim. Ananta sevatu nikrintadidvayim iti prabho tvat purusha babashire. Babashire.
Ananta seva tu nikrintati dvaim iti prabho tvat purusha babashire. Ananta seva tu nikrintati dvaim iti prabho tvat purusha babashire.
Yeah, you should be careful to nikrintati, pause, dvaim. Nikrintati dvaim. Okay. Next. Anena bho janma sahasra koti bihi kriteshu papeshu nishkriti krita yadagrahi nama bhaya kulo harehe iti prabho tvat purusha bhabashire. So here, Bo, like the messengers of Yama. So janma sahasra koti bihi. So in thousands and whatever koti crores of janmam of him, right? Anena by him, in thousands of janma he has done. Kriteshu papeshu. So whatever sins he has committed in all those thousands of janma, nishkriti krita has been completely atoned for, right? Harehe agrahit nama, because he uttered the Lord's name. And how did he utter it? With fear, right? So you kind of think of this as comparable to Mahabharata Draupadi scenario, right? So Draupadi and the Sametla during the Vastraharanam is she came to a point where she gave up, right? And then when she completely gave up, and then she called for the Lord, right? So at that time she's saying, okay, Sarvam Krishna Namastun Choli call pani, and the Sametla God came to help. So that's what we are telling here is the way, whatever sins he has committed, right? The way he felt the fear and he completely surrendered and he called out the name. Although he didn't think of the God's name, he thought he called his son's name, right? But then he called the God's name in it. And the example, the medicines, like people say, right? You may not know how medicines work, but when doctors give you a medicine and you take that medicine, it still solves your diseases, right? So you don't have to know the mechanics of how something needs to happen, right? You need to have a faith in it, and then you have to do it, and then it will work its magic or it will work its effect. So that's what iti prabho tvat purusha bhavashire. So anena bo janma sahasra koti bihi kriteshu papeshwapi nishkriti krita. Okay, so nishkritihi krita potrukku. So when you change the padikumbodhu nishkritik krita, so kutti ikmari. So anena bho janma sahasra koti bihi kriteshu papeshu api nishkritik krita.
Anena bho janma sahasra koti bihi kriteshu papeshu api nishkritih krita. Anena bho janma sahasra koti bihi kriteshu papeshu api nishkritih krita.
Anena bo janma sahasra koti bihi कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृतिः कृता अनेन वो जन्म सहस्रकोटिभिः कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृतिः कृता
यद ग्रहीन् नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिते. Okay, so यद ग्रहीन् नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिते. यद ग्रहीन् नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिते.
यदग्रहीन् नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. इति या ऋतिया?
Iti, and the riti vandu, it's because it's joining to the previous sentence. So harehe potanalu next time iti.
यदग्रहीन् नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
यदग्रही नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे यदग्रही नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे
नृणाम बुद्ध्यापि मुकुन्द कीर्तनं दहत्य घौघान् महिमास्य तादृशः यथाग्निरेधांसि यतौषधं गदान् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिरे. So the word mukunda, the word on the muktim dadati iti mukunda. So the person who gives mukti is mukunda, right? That's the word mukunda here. So mukunda kirtanam. So whoever is doing kirtanam to mukunda, whoever is chanting the name of mukunda, is abhyudapi without even knowing, like I said earlier, without knowing, dahatya, right? Dahati is to burn. So dahatya is to destroy it. What? Augan, agaugan, the sins, it destroys the sins of Nrinam, of the people. And the Tadrishaha Mahima. Okay, Tadrishaha Asya Mahima. He says, your glory is such, right? Your glory is such that even by chanting the name of Mukunda, it destroys all the sins you have done. And the exact comparisons here that is done is Yata Yat Agni Edamsi. Just like how the fire burns the fuel, right? And it destroys it and the fire takes over. Yata Aushadam Gadan, like how the medicine destroys all the diseases, right? So those are the comparisons. In a similar way, just saying the name of Mukunda will cleanse you and eradicate of all the sins. So Nrinama Buddhyapi Mukunda Kirtanam, comma, Dahatya Gaughan Mahimasya Tadrishaha. So Nrinama Buddhyapi Mukunda Kirtanam Dahatya Gaughan Mahimasya Tadrishaha.
नृणाम बुद्ध्यापि मुकुन्द कीर्तनं दहत्य गौगान् महिमास्य दादृशः. नृणाम बुद्ध्यापि मुकुन्द कीर्तनं दहत्य गौगान् महिमास्य दादृशः.
तादृशः, ता कुटिता,
तादृशः,
तादृशः,
तादृशः. Okay.
नृणाम बुद्ध्यापि मुकुन्द कीर्तनं दहत्य गौगान् महिमास्य तदादृशः.
तादृशः. महिमास्य तादृशः. तादृशः.
नृणाम बुद्ध्यापि मुकुन्द कीर्तनं दहत्य गौगान् महिमास्य तादृशः.
Yathagni, so Yatha Agni, it's Yathagni Redhamsi. But you have to say it together because it's actually Yatha Agnihi Edamsi. So Yatha Agnihi Edamsi, but you don't have to literally break it up, you can say it together. So you say Yathagni Redamsi, Yathaushadham Gadan, Iti Prabho Twatpurusha Babashe. So if you are in Sanskrit, it may say Gada Niti Prabho, right, in 2 lines. So when you join it, you say Gadhan in and then Iti Prabho. So Yathagni Redhamsi Yataushadham Gadhan Iti Prabho Twatpurusha Bhabhashire.
Yatagni Redhamsi Yataushadham Gadhan Iti Prabho Twatpurusha Bhabhashire.
यथाग्निरेदांसि औषधं गदान् यदौषधं गदान् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
यथाग्निरेदांसि यथौषधं गदान् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. यथाग्निरेदांसि यथौषधं गदान् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
ராஜேஷ்
சொல்லுங்க.
அந்த யதாக்னில தா வந்து செகண்ட் இது இல்ல,
செகண்ட் தா தா தா
யதாக்னி
செகண்ட் தா.
यथा तथा
इति ऋतैर्याम्य भटैरपाश्रुते भवद्भटानां च गणे तिरोहिते भवत् स्मृतिं कञ्चन कालमाचरन् भवत्पदं प्रापि भवद्भटैरसौ. So here, so Yamya Bhataihi, the messengers of Yama, right? Itihi itairihi, so they were told thus. So all the things that the messengers of Krishna said, who has said thus, so apasute, so they left, they heard this and they said okay, and then they decided not to take Ajamila and they left. So Bhavat Bhatanam Ganecha, even the messengers of the Lord as well, Cha Tirohite, they also left, they also disappeared after this. So Bhavat Smritim, so worshipping the Lord for Kanchana Kalam, for some amount of time, right? Bhavat Padam, Bhavat Bhattairihi. So what Ajamila did was, after the Yama's people disappeared, having heard this from the messengers of the Lord, the messengers of the Lord also left. So Ajamilan then for Kanchana Kalam, for some time, he spent Bhavat Smritim, praying to the Lord, right, in his rest of his life. And then eventually Bhavat Padam, he left to the abode of the Lord, and he was taken by the Lord's messenger. So essentially he got liberated, right? He spent the rest of his life praying. So itir ithair yamya bhattaira pasrute. So itir ithair yamya bhattaira pasrute, comma, but you have to say it continuously. So itir ithair yamya bhattaira pasrute, comma, bhavat bhatanam cha Ghaneti rohite. Okay, let's slower chore. Iti rithair yamya bhattaira pasrute bhavat bhatanam cha ganeti rohite.
इति ऋतैर्याम्य भटैरपाश्रुते भवद्भटानां च गणे तिरोहिते. इति ऋतैर्याम्य भटैरपाश्रुते भवद्भटानां च गणे तिरोहिते.
And the Bhavat iti ritairamya bhattaira pasrute, pa pi.
इति ऋतैर्याम्य भटैरपाश्रुते भवद्भटानां च गणे तिरोहिते. गणे तिरोहिते वा?
Gane tirohite is disappearing. Ganas are the ganas. So okay. Gane tirohite. So you can actually two different words there.
इति ऋतैर्याम्य भटैरपाश्रिते भवद्भटानां च गणे तिरोहिते. इति ऋतैर्याम्य भटैरपाश्रिते भवद्भटानां च गणे तिरोहिते.
Correct. Bhavat smritim kanchana kalam acharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhattairasau. So bhavat smritim kanchana kalam acharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhattairasau.
Bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhattairasau. Bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhattairasau.
Bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhattairasau. Bhattairasau. Bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhattairasau.
Correct. Swakinkara vedana shankito yamaha twadangri bhakteshu na gamyatamiti swakiya brityan ashishikshat uchchakaihi sadeva vatalayana pahimam. So the messengers of Yama go back, right? So Swakinkara vedana shankita. So on hearing what his messengers are telling him, Yama now got terrified, right? Because his messengers told what happened when they went to pick Ajamilo, and then so Yama now gets terrified. So Yama says, Ashishikshat, right? Ashishikshat is instructing. Shiksha is teaching, right? Ashishikshat is to instruct. Uchchakaihi means very in a strict manner, so emphasizing it very clearly. So it's Ashishikshat Uchchakaihi, emphasized and instructed very strictly. Swakiya Brityan, to his messengers, to Yama's messengers, that Tvad Angri Bhakteshu. So people who worship your feet, people who are devotees of the Lord, Na Gamyatam, don't go near them, right? Because they are all supposed to get liberated, right? So the Yama then strictly instructs his messengers, that people who are devoted to your feet, O Guru Ayappa, not to go near your devotees who are devoted to your feet. And then Karasila Sadeva Vatalaya Nata Pahima. So what people resident of Guru Ayur, please protect me. Bhakti part ends this chapter. So Swakinka Ravedhana Shankito Yamaha Tvad Angri Bhakteshu, Tvad Angri Bhakteshu, but in a change the particular you can say Twadangri Bhakteshu is also fine. If you want to break it, say Tvad Angri Bhakteshu Na Gamyatam iti. Swakinkara Vedhana Shankito Yamaha Tvad Angri Bhakteshu Na Gamyatam iti.
Swakinkara vedana sankito yamaha Tvadankri bhakteshu na gamyamdamiti. Swakinkara vedana sankito yamaha Tvadankri bhakteshu na gamyamdamiti.
Swakinkara vedana shankito yamaha twadangri bhakteshu nagam yatamiti. Swakinkara vedana shankito yamaha twadangri bhakteshu nagam yatamiti.
Correct. Swakiya Brityan Ashi Shikshad Uchchakaihi. Entire sentence you have to say it together. So Swakiya Brityan Ashi Shikshad Uchchakaihi. Okay, but you have to say it together. Sadeva Vatalaya Nata Pahima. So Swakiya Brityan Ashi Shikshad Uchchakaihi Sadeva Vatalaya Nata Pahimam.
Swakiya brityan ashishikshaduchchaihi Sadeva vatalayadada pahimam.
Uchchakai.
சொன்னல
Uchchakaihi. ரெண்டு cha இருக்கு, small cha and big cha. So
Uchchakaihi.
Uchchakaihi.
Uchchakaihi. Okay. Swakiya brityan ashishikshaduchchakaihi Sadeva vatalayadada pahimam.
Pahima.
Swakiya brityana shishikshaduchchakaihi sadeva vatalayana tapahimam. Swakiya brityan ashishikshaduchchakaihi sadeva vatalayana tapahimam.
Ashi, she, and the she, English particularly SHI should be she, not she, small she. So, Swakiya Brityan Ashi Shikshaduchchakaihi. Small she.
Swakiya brityan ashishikshaduchchakaihi. Uchchakaihi. Okay.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. So, Shri Krishna, Guru Brahmane, Parabrahmane Namaha. So this ends the chapter of Ajamila, right? And this was an important chapter just to show the importance and the strength of bhakti, devotion, right? Even whether you're doing it consciously or doing it unconsciously, it will eventually come to help. So with that, now we are going to two other chapters, Narasimha Avadaram, which is chapters 24 and 25. So the Narasimha Avadaram 25th chapter is a very powerful chapter, right? It's a konjam hard chapter. 25th chapter is a little tough chapter because when you're describing Narasimha coming, it has to be said in a powerful way, right? It can't be a very simple slogama. Konjam emphasis on the chapter. So 25 is a little difficult chapter. So 24th chapter talks about Prahlada, the background, and Prahlada being born and what happens and everything. And in 25th chapter, Narasimha Avadaram happens. Okay, so typically Narasimha Avadaram padikirna the chapter chained, Narasimha Jayanti la you say both of these chapters together, right? So I already sent the meaning of 24th, right? Because we want to spend more time learning the thing here. So you do under this the meter for this is like chapter 1 and the meter la pogumide. So like I'll say the first paragraph, then we'll break it. Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata hate shoka krodha glapita ditire tasya sahajaha hiranya prarambha kashipuhu amarharati sadasi pradignya matene tavakila vadhartam maduripo. So Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata, comma there. Then Hate, after Hate you can stop because Hiranyaksha Hate was killed, right? Hate, comma. Shoka krodha glapitha driti retasya dritihi etasya sahajaha. Etasya sahaja, his brother. But you change the particular driti retasya sahaja is also okay. So shoka krodha glapitha driti retasya sahajaha. Okay. So Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata hate shoka krodha glapita driti retasya sahajaha.
Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata hate shoga krodha klapita driti retasya sahajaha. Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata hate shoga krodha klapita driti redasya sahajaha.
Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata hate shoka krodha glapita driti retasya sahajaha.
Glapita.
Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata hate shoka krodha glapita driti retasya sahajaha.
Okay. Eventually you have to say it like all together, but it's fine now. Hiranya prarambha kashipuhu, because he's calling Hiranya prarambha kashipuhu. Kashipu, whose first name was Hiranya. Amara rati sadasi, right? So Amara rati sadasi. So on the Kashipuhu cholit you can put a comma. Amara rati sadasi. Pradignyam athene, comma. Thava kila vadhartham maduripo. So Hiranya prarambha kashipuhu amara rati sadasi pradignyam athene thava kila vadhartham maduripo.
Hiranya prarambha kasibhu amararadi sadasi pradignya matena davakila vadartam madhiripo. Hiranya prarambha kasibhu
Hiranya
prarambha kasibhu
Hiranya prarambha அப்புறம் அந்த இது விசர்கா இருக்கு இல்லையா, பட் நீங்க சேர்ந்து படிக்கும்போது இக்கு போட்டுக்கலாம் அத.
prarambha
kashipuhu.
Hiranya prarambha kashibu amararadi sadasi pradignya matene davakila vadartam madhuripo.
Hiranya prarambha kashipuhu amararati sadasi pradignyam athene प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वदार्थं मधुरिपो हिरण्यप्रारम्भकशिपुः अमराराति सदसि प्रतिज्ञामतेने प्रतिज्ञामातेने तव किल वदार्थं मधुरिपो
विधातारं घोरं सकलु तपसे त्वान चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनं वरं लब्ध्वा धृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन्दन्निन्द्रादहरत दिवं त्वामगणयन्. So Vidhatharam, so you can pause there. Vidhatharam, which is Brahma, comma, Ghoram sa kalu tapasitva nachirataha, comma, Puraha sakshat. So when you change the particular, you can say putti is. So Pura sakshat kurvan, comma, Sura nara mrigadhyair anidanam. Sura nara mrigadhyaihi anidanam. Change the particular Suranara Mrigadhyaira Nidanam. Change the Chodikalam. Okay. So Vidhatharam Ghoram Sakalu Tapasetva Nachirataha Pura Sakshat Kurvan Suranara Mrigadhyaira Nidanam.
विदादारं घोरं सकलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनं विदादारं घोरं सकलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनं
ராஜேஷ் ஒரே ஒரு டவுட் இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்டுக்கு செகண்ட் வேர்டுக்கு அப்புறம் ரெண்டுக்கும் அப்புறம் காமா இருக்கா சோ
அந்த விதாதாரம் சொல்லிட்டு you can just pause a little just ஒரு விதாதாரம் காமா then கோரம் just to emphasize பிரம்மாங்கிறதுக்கு அவ்வளவுதான்
விதாதாரம் கோரம் அப்படியே
கரெக்ட்
கோரம்க்கு அப்புறமும் இருக்கா ஸ்டாப் இல்ல
கோரம் சகல் கோரம் for கோரம்
विधातारं घोरं सकल तपसित्वा नचिरतः पुरा
साक्षात्
कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनं विधातारं घोरं सकल तपसित्वा नचिरतः पुरा साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनं
वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो कॉमा जगत् इह भवन्नायकम् इदं वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो कॉमा जगत् इह भवन्नायकम् इदं कॉमा परिक्षुन्दन् इन्द्रात् aharata divam. So Parikshundan is to torment, to destroy. Indrat divam aharata is snatching the heaven from Indra. So Parikshundan Indrat aharata divam, comma, Twam aganayan. Okay. So Varam labdhva dripto jagat iha bhavannayakam idham Parikshundan Indrat aharata divam Twam aganayan.
harder bolege varam latva dripto jahati bhavannayakamitam parichundan
சொல்லுங்க
பரிச்சுந்தன் இந்திராத் ஹரததிவம் துவாமகனயன்
वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगति भवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन् इन्द्रादहर அது மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க
பரிக்ஷுந்தன் ஒரு வேர்ட் ஓகே பரிக்ஷுந்தன் is to destroy or torment இந்திராத் அஹரத திவம்
ஓகே பரிக்ஷுந்தன் இந்திராத் அஹரத திவம் वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगति भवन्नायकमिदं परीक्षुन्दन् इन्द्रात् अहरत दिवं त्वामगनयन्.
Correct.
वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन् आयकमिदं.
भवन्नायकमिदं नायकं. So change படிக்கணும்.
भवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन्दनिन्द्रात् अहरत दिवं त्वामगनयन्. वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगदिह भवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन्दनिन्द्रात् अहरत दिवं त्वामगनयन्.
Correct. For people who know Sanskrit, right? So when you hear Parikshundan Indra, when you do it, when you write it together, it becomes Parikshundan Nindra. That is the rule of the Sandhi in Sanskrit, right? But in the previous time, on the Bhavan Nayakam, right? So that is like Bhavan Nayakam. So that's change the word. That's the Parikshundan Indra. So under you can break it that way. Third, Nihantum Twam Bhuyah Tava Padamavaptasya Charipoho Bahirdrishtarantar Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha Nadan Uchaihi Tatrapya Kila Bhuvanante Chamrigayenne Bhiya Yatam Matva Sakalujita Kashi Nibavrite. So Nihantum Twam Bhuyaha, comma Thava Padama Vaptasya Charipoho. Thava Padama Vaptasya Charipoho. Ripoho is the enemy here. Bahir, so on the Bak mele Sanskrit na or irrukum, that you remove it off because you already put a visarga at the end of the previous. Bahir Drishte antar, but you can say Bahir Drishter antar Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha. Bahir Drishter antar Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha. Okay. So Nihantum Twam Bhuyah Tava Padamavaptasya Charipoho Bahir Drishtarantat Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha.
Is it Nihandum Twam?
Nihantum Twam.
Okay, it is having an in Tamil. Okay, thank you.
Nihantum Twam Bhuyah Tava Padamavaptasya Charipoho Bahirdrishtarantar Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha. Nihantum Twam Bhuyah Tava Padamavaptasya Charipoho Bahirdrishtarantar Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha.
Correct.
Nihantum Twam Bhuyah Tava Padama Vaptasya
Vaptasya. Tava Padama Vaptasya.
Vaptasya Charipoho Bahirdrishtarantar Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha. Vapusha. Nihantum Twam Bhuyah Tava Padama Vaptasya Charipoho Bahirdrishtarantar Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha. Okay.
Rajesh, how do you say Padama Vaptasya? Is that correct?
Yeah, it's actually Padam Avaptasya, but you can say Padama Avaptasya.
Okay.
Padam Avaptasya. Tvam Padam Avaptasya. Padam is like the region or the abode. Avaptasya is to reach. Tvam Padam. So you're reaching your abode. It's Tvam Padam Avaptasya. But you can say Padam Avaptasya.
Would you mind saying that line again?
Sure. Nihantum Tvam Bhuyah Thava Padam Avaptasya Charipoho Bahir Drishtarantar Dadita Hridaye Sukshma Vapusha.
Okay, thank you.
Next line, Nadhan Uchaihi. So Nadhan Uchaihi means roaring loudly. So Nadhan Uchaihi. This is like again the Sandhi rule. Nadhan plus Uchaihi is Nadhan Uchaihi in Potraba. So Nadhan Uchaihi, comma. तत्राप्य किल भुवनान्ते, तत्राप्य किल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन्, comma, बिया यातं मत्वा, comma, स खलु जितकाशी निववृते. Okay. So nadan uchchaihi, comma, tatrapya khila bhuvanante cha mrigayan. So tatra api akila bhuvanante cha, tatrapi akila bhuvanante cha. So nadan uchchaihi tatrapya akila bhuvanante cha mrigayan biya yatam matva sakalu jitakashi nivavrite.
नदन् उच्चैः तत्राप्यखिल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् வா புவனாந்தே
புவனாந்தே.
ஓகே, இங்க லான் இருக்கு. ஓகே,
புவனாந்தே.
सकलु जितकाशी निववृते.
काशी निववृते. सकलु जितकाशी
निववृते.
नदन् उच्चैः तत्राप्यखिल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् पियायादं मत्वा सकलु जितकाशी निववृते.
Correct. And that bhuvanante then because bhuvanam world. So it's sakala bhuvanante. So among all the worlds, right? So
okay.
नदनुच्चैहि तत्राप्य किल भुवनन्ते च भुवनान्ते च मृग्यन् बियायातं मत्वा सकलजितकाशी निववृते. नदनुच्चैहि तत्राप्य किल भुवनान्ते च मृग्यन् बियायातं मत्वा सकलजितकाशी निववृते.
I'll just say it once more just for the benefit. Nihantum tvam bhuyah thava padamavaptasya charipoho bahir drishterantар dadita hridaye sukshma vapusha nadan uchchaihi tatrapya kila bhuvanante cha mrigayan dhiya yatam matva sakalu jitakashi nivavrite. Fourth. ततोस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापानेः अधिगतभवत् भक्तिमहिमा स वै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयि रतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरदपरमोदाहरणताम्. So ततोस्य प्रह्लादः, comma, समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ, comma, मुनेर वीणा पानेहे. So here's muner veena panehe, the sage who has the veena. So muner veena panehe, comma, adi gata bhavat bhakti mahima. So and the Sanskrit on the muner veena pane radigata bhavat nu potrukkom. Muner veena panehe, comma, adigata bhavat bhakti mahima. So you're just breaking it, saying sage Narada, and he learned the glory of Lord from him. So tatosya prahladaha samajhanisuto garbhavasatau muner veena panehe adigata bhavat bhakti mahima.
ततोस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगतभवत् भक्तिमहिमा. ततोस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगतभवत् भक्तिमहिमा.
ततोस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगतभवत् भक्तिमहिमा. ततोस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगतभवत् भक्तिमहिमा.
Correct. Savai jatya daityah, comma, Shishurapi, again a comma, because remember the meaning, it says, although he was born into the clan of the Asuras, comma, Shishurapi, he is only a child, so comma, Sametya Tvairatim, then Gatas Twadbhakthanam, amongst your devotees, comma, Varada Paramodha Haranatham. He is the best amongst all of that, right? So Savai Jatya Daityaha, pause, Shishurapi, pause, Sametya Tvairatim, Gatas Twadbhakthanam, another pause, Varada Paramoda Haranatham. Savai Jatya Daityaha, Shishurapi, Sametya Tvairatim, Gatas Twadbhakthanam, Varada Paramoda Haranatham.
Savijatya Daityaihi Daityah Savijatya Daityah Shishurapi Samedyadvairatim Gadastvat Bhaktanam Varada Paramoda Haranatam. Daityaihi Daityah Savijatya Daityah Shishurapi Samedyadvairatim Gadastvat Bhaktanam Varada Paramoda Haranatam.
The Shishurapi kapra or pause uttukungo, because it's like saying he's only a child. Appadin is like describing the various attributes. Nala, he's just as although he's born as a son of an Asura, comma, and he's only a child, comma, he still had intense love. So just logically you can just put a pause there.
Oh, Sasaiva Jatya Daityah Savai Jatya Daityah Shishurapi Samedyadvairatim Gadastvat Bhaktanam Varada Paramoda Haranatam.
Correct.
Savai Jatya Daityah Shishurapi Sametya Tvairatim Sametya Tvairatim Gadastvat Bhaktanam Varada Paramoda Haranatam. Savai Jatya Daityah Shishurapi Sametya Tvairatim Gadastvat Bhaktanam Varada Paramoda Haranatam.
Surharinam hasyam Tavacharana nijasute Sadrishtva Dushtatma Gurubir Ashishiksha Chiramamum Guru Proktam Chaso Idam Abhadraya Tridamiti Apakurvan Sarvam Tavacharana Bhakti Bhavavrude. So Surarinam hasyam, comma, because the Asuras will ridicule or ridiculing, comma, Thava Charana Dasyam Nijasute, comma, Sa Drishtva Dushtatma, comma, having seen that evil-minded Asura, comma, Sa Drishtva Dushtatma, Guru Bir Ashi Shikshak Chiramamu. So you have to break this as it's Guru Bihi. So you can say Guru Bir Ashi Shikshak Chiramamu. So if you have to say it in English, Guru Bir Ashi, A-S-H-I, Ashi, Shikshak, so S-H-I-K-S-H, Shikshak Chiramamu. Okay, so I'll say it slowly here. Surarinam hasyam Thabacharana dhasyam nijasute Sadrishtva Dushtatma Gurubir Ashishiksha Chiramamum.
Surarinam hasyam Tavacharana dasyam nijasute Sadrishtva Dushtatma Gurubir Ashikshak Siramamum Ashikshak
Chiramamu.
Surarinam hasyam Tavacharana dasyam nijasute Sadrishtva Dushtatma Gurubir Ashikshak Siramamum.
Correct. இப்போதைக்கு நீங்க break பண்ணி படிச்சுங்க, then once you practice you'll get the flow.
Surarinam hasyam Tavacharanadasyam nijasude सदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिराशिषीक्षत् चिरममुम्
गुरुभिर आशि शिक्षक चिरममुम्
गुरुभिराशिषीक्षत् चिरममुम् सुरारीणां हास्यं तव चरणदास्यं निजसुदे सदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिराशिषीक्षत् चिरममुम्
ஒரு extra she add பண்றாய் but
okay
ashi shikshat chiramamu only two sha and then sha ksh so rendu sh and ஒரு ksh ashi shikshat chiramamu okay next guru proktham chasau cha asau so chasau sanga comma so you may want to fix because it's change எழுதும்போது sanskrit they might have written it as chasa vidamidam அப்படினு போட்டுருப்பா so you can make it chasau idam idam abhadraya dridam this will only lead to evil so idam okay and it's cha asau chasau okay guru proktam chasau comma idam abhadraya dridam ithi so dridam ityapakurvan sarvam nu potirukom but it's the same thing if you want to literally break it you will say dridam iti apakurvan sarvam so rejecting everything sarvam rejecting everything right so you say it as guru proktam chaso comma idam abhadraya dridamiti next line apakurvan sarvam chained so dridamiti apakurvan sarvam and then you can stop there thava charana bhaktiyaiva vavride okay so you can say it like the dridamityapa kurvan also you can say it's the same thing because you're joining the two lines but it's easier to break it and say because the right word is dridam iti apakurvan so dridam iti apakurvan sarva okay is that the question
guru proktam chasau idam abhadraya va
abhadraya idam abhadraya dridam iti apakurvan
dridam iti apakurvan
yeah
sarvam
apakurvan sarvam comma
yaiva vavrite
tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrite so and the sarvam ku appuram oru pause so guru proktam chasau idam abhadraya dridamiti apakurvan sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrite
गुरु प्रोक्तं साचौ इदमिदम् अभद्राय दृढम् इति अपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरण भक्त्यैव ववृते गुरु प्रोक्तं
chasau idamidam abhadraya dridamiti abhakurvan sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrite correct
correct அது ரெண்டுலயும் சேர்த்து படிங்க அந்த dridamiti apakurvan that's fine oh, yeah
guru proktam chasau idamidam abhadraya dridamiti apakurvan sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrite
yeah
tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrite
guru proktam chasau idamidam abhadraya dridamiti apakurvan sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrite guru proktam chasau idamidam abhadraya dridamati apakurvan sarvam tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavrite
dridam iti okay dridam iti okay aditeshu shreshtam kimiti pariprishte tadanahe bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati bharya kuladritihi gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyetyabhividan vadophayanasmin yatanuta bhavat padasharane so aditeshu shreshtam kimiti comma so kimiti comma pariprishtet thanaye comma bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati comma so bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati comma bharya kula dhritihi comma So aditeshu shreshtam kimiti pariprushte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati bharya kuladritihi.
aditeshu shreshtam kimiti pariprushte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati paryakuladritihi. Aditeshu shreshtam kimiti paribhrishte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati paryakuladritihi.
Abhigatati. Intro சொல்லும்போது நீங்க செகண்ட் டைம் சொல்லும்போது ஒரு தா எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஆட் பண்ண மாதிரி இருந்தது. Abhigatati.
Abhigatati.
Aditeshu shreshtam kimiti pariprushte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati parya kuladritihi. Aditeshu shreshtam kimiti aditeshu shreshtam kimiti
adi alla adi you emphasize the
aditeshu shreshtam kimiti pariprushte tatanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigadati parya kuladritihi.
Correct. Gurubhyo roshitva comma sahaja matirasyethya bhividhan. Sahaja
Rasyetya.
Actually sahaja matihi asyetya bhividhan change padikumbodhu sahaja mati rasyetya bhividhan comma vado phayan asmin vyatanuta. Vado phayan asmin vyatanuta
bhavat pada sharane
comma bhavat pada sharane. Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyeetya bhividhan vado phayanasmin vyatanuta bhavat pada sharane.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamadirasyeetya bhividhan vado bhayan asmin vyatanuta bhavat pada sharane.
Vyatanuta kapra or comma podungo and then say bhavat pada sharane.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamadirasyeetya bhividhan vado bhayan asmin vyatanuta bhavat pada sharane.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyeetya bhividhan vado payanasmin vyatanuta bhavat pada sharane.
You don't have to stop between vado payanasmin vyatanuta break panna vendam. So vado payanasmin vyatanuta.
Gurubhyo roshitva sahajamatirasyeetya bhividhan vado payanasmin vyatanuta bhavat pada sharane.
Sashulhaira viddaha subhagumaditho digghajaganaihi mahasarpairdashtopi anashanagara harabidutaha girindra vakshiptopi ahaha paramatmannai vibho त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडामभजत. So sa shulaira diddaha comma subahu. Even in the booklet, when I compared with the PDF, it says subahu. It is wrong. It is subahu. Subahu means many. So many times. Subahu is many times. So subahu matitho digghaja ghanaihi. So next line la vandu and ir irukum and maha m ku mela ma ku mela. You can remove that ir and put it as a visarga. Digghaja ghanaihi, the trampled by the elephants, herd of elephants. Digghaja ghanaihi comma maha sarpair dashtopi. So maha sarpaihi, and the like in the meaning in the big snakes, maha sarpaihi api. So mahasarpair dashtopi, bitten by big snakes also, comma anashana ghara hara vidutaha. Because remember, anashana is like not giving him food, then giving him poisonous food. So that's why it's all just broken so that we can say it very clearly, right? So sashulaira viddaha comma subahu matitho diggaja ganaihi comma mahasarpair dashtopi comma small p comma ana shana garahara vidutaha. Okay. So the meaning you go chance because that's how it says each of the word has a specific meaning. That's where we are stopping at certain places. Sashulaira viddaha subahumatitho diggajaganaihi mahasarpair dashtopi anashanagara vidutaha.
सशूलैरावित्तः सुबहुमदितो दिग्गजगणैः महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽपि अनशनकराहारविदुतः सशूलैरावित्तः सुबहुमदितो दिग्गजगणैः महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽपि अनशनकराहारविदुतः
सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमतितो दिग्गजगणैः महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽपि अनशनगराहारविदुतः सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमतितो दिग्गजगणैः महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽपि अनशनगराहारविदुतः.
Correct. Next, Girindra Vakshipthopi. So Girindra Vakshitaha api. So although he was thrown from the top of a mountain. Ahaha, right? He said, oh, what a wonder. So you break that and say Girindra Vakshipthopi, comma, ahaha paramatmannai vibho, comma, tvai nyastat matvat, comma, kimapina nipidham abhajata. So did not feel anything at all. Kimapina abhajata. Nipidham abhajata. So Girindra Vakshipthopi, comma, ahaha paramatmannai vibho, tvai nyastat matvat, kimapina nipidham abhajata. Girindra Vakshipthopi ahaha paramatmannai vibho, tvai nyastat matvat, kimapina nipidham abhajata.
गिरीन्द्र वक्षिप्तोऽपि अहः परमात्मन्नै विभो त्वयि नस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडाम् अभजत गिरीन्द्र वक्षिप्तोऽपि अहः परमात्मन्नै विभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडाम् अभजत.
गिरीन्द्रा वक्षिप्तोऽपि अहः परमात्मन्यै विभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडाम् अभजत. गिरीन्द्रा वक्षिप्तोऽपि अहः परमात्मन्यै विभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वात् किमपि न निपीडाम् अभजत.
We'll do just one more today. Tatashankhavishtaha sapunarati dushtosya janako guruktyathadgehe kila varuna pashaistamarunate guroschasandhidhye sapunaranughan dhaityatanayan bhavat bhaktes tattvam paramamapi vijnanam ahishate. Singing on the PDF I found a mistake. I checked with one other book, I think from Jayashree. The Janakaha ungalodala potrukkom on the PDF la English and Tamil la you have to make it Janako. So Tata Tattaha potrukkom and then Shankavishtaha. So when you're saying it together, Tata Shankavishtaha. Change the breaking word. Tata Shankavishtaha, comma Sa Punarati Dushtosya Janako, comma Guruktya Thadgehe, comma किल वरुण पाशैस्तमरुणत् किल वरुण पाशैस्तमरुणत् ततशङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुक्त्या तद्गेः किल वरुण पाशैस्तमरुणत्
तदशङ्काविष्टः स पुनरति दुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुक्त्या तद्गेः किल वरुण पाशैस्तमरुणत् ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरति तुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुक्त्या तद्गेः किल वरुण पाशैस्तमरुणत्
ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुक्त्या तद्गेः किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत् ततः शङ्काविष्टः स पुनरतिदुष्टोऽस्य जनको गुरुक्त्या तद्गेः किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत्
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये sorry, let me say it first. गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये सा पुनरनुगान् दैत्यरनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानम् अशिषत्. So गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये, okay, गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये, comma, स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान्, comma, भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं, comma, परममपि विज्ञानम् अशिषत्. Paramamapi Vijnanam Ashishat. This taught the greatness. Okay. So Guros Chasan Nidhye Sapunaranugan Daityadanayan Bhavad Bhaktes Tattvam Paramamapi Vijnanam Ashishat.
गुरोश्चाशान्नित्ये सपुनरनुकान् दैत्यदनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परमपि विज्ञानम् अशिषत्. गुरोश्चाशान्नित्ये सपुनरनुकान् दैत्यदनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानम् अशिषत्.
गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्. गुरोश्चासान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममपि विज्ञानमशिषत्.
Correct. So with that, we'll stop here. I'll just chant 1 to 8 or chain there, and then we'll end the class. Hiranyakshe potri pravara vapusha deva bhavata hate shoka krodha glapita dritiretasya sahajaha hiranya prarambha kashipuhu amarharati sadasi pradignyamatehe tavakila vadhartam maduripo vidhatharam घोरं सगलु तपसित्वा न चिरतः पुरः साक्षात् कुर्वन् सुरनरमृगाद्यैरनिधनं वरं लब्ध्वा दृप्तो जगतिह भवन्नायकमिदं परिक्षुन्दन् इन्द्रातहरतधिवं त्वामगणयन् निहन्तुं त्वां भूयः तव पदमवाप्तस्य चरिपोः बहिर्दृष्टेरन्तर्ददितहृदये सूक्ष्मवपुषा नदन् उच्चैः तत्राप्य किल भुवनान्ते च मृगयन् धिया यातं मत्वा सकलुचितकाशी निववृते ततोऽस्य प्रह्लादः समजनिसुतो गर्भवसतौ मुनेर्वीणापाणेः अधिगत भवद्भक्तिमहिमा सभै जात्या दैत्यः शिशुरपि समेत्य त्वयिरतिं गतस्त्वद्भक्तानां वरद परमोदाहरणतां सुरादीनां हास्यं तव चरणदास्यं निजसुते सदृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा Gurubir ashishikshachiramamum Guruproktam chasau idamidam abadhrayat kridamiti apakurvan sarvam Tavacharana bhaktyai bhavavridhe aditeshu shreshtam kimidi pariprishte tadanaye bhavat bhaktim varyam abhigatati padya kuladritihi gurubhyo roshetva sahajamadirasyetyaभिविधन्ने vadophayanasmin vyatanuta bhavat padasharane sashulaiga viddah subhakumatitho digghajaganaihi mahasarpairdashtopi anashanagara vidutah girindra vakshiptopi ahah paramatmannai vibho tvainystatmatvad kimapi nanipidam abhajata tadashankha vishtah sakunarati dushtosya janako gurukya thadgyehe kilavaruna pashaistamarunate guroscha sanhidhye sakunaranughan daityatanayan bhavat bhaktestatvam paramamapi vijnanamashishat. So with that we'll end the class. So we'll say Sandrananda and then say Kayana Vachan in the class. Sandranandhavabhuthatmagamανupamidam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tattavad bhadi sakshat guru pavanapure anta bhagyam jananam कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. Okay, so it was pretty good. I think we completed a good portion of 24. The 25 is a pretty tough chapter, Narasimha Avataram. So I'll try to, again, for this chapter alone, I'll try to send the meaning ahead of time of 25th. So we can go slow in the next class. So adukapra next set of chapters are relatively easy. The 26 adalam vandu konjam easy. All right. Any questions?
Okay.
Rajesh,
Thanks, Rajesh.
Hiranyakashipuku first name Kashipu ningal eppadi adha?
Illa என்ன சொன்னாக்கா ஹிரண்ய பிராரம்ப கஷிபு. So இது Kashipu whose first name is Hiranya.
Okay, first name is Hiranya. Okay.
Yeah, so Hiranya Kashipu தான் பேரு. Okay, but it says Hiranya praramba Kashipu. So Kashipu whose first name is Hiranya, whose first part of the name is Hiranya.
Okay. I thought you said the other way, that's why.
Yeah, so Hiranya Kashipu.
So Kashipu is kind of his last name.
Yeah, Hiranya Kashipu.
Because he is son of Kashyapa Muni, he is called Kashipu.
Kashipu, exactly. And then the Hiranyakshan and Hiranyakashipu. Another appadi sonnaanga. So Hiranya praramba Kashipu. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks, Rajesh.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.